Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. With all the doom and gloom atmosphere going on in the world right now, I thought I will bring you this cute little low poly paper craft wall decoration. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a wall decoration made out of low poly paper structure. I have included the link for the design in the description box and you can check it out later. The credit for this beautiful design goes to Paper Poly. As we are making a wall decoration piece, it has to be made out of thick paper, and hence I have chosen 300 GSM light grey paper for the clouds and a bright orange paper for the sun. Stick the template printout on your craft paper by applying glue on the four corners. You might be thinking why we are not taking printout directly on the craft paper. It is because it is very thick paper and it's difficult to take printout on thick paper. From left to right, the tools required are cutting knife, metallic pencil, toothpick, glue, a scale, pen and forceps. There are two types of lines on any template piece, solid and dotted. Solid lines are for cutting the template part, so cut out along the solid lines. Next step is scoring your cutout part by using the metallic pencil. Draw the scoring lines on exact same places as in the original template. Next step is transferring the numbers from the original template onto your cutout piece. This will help you while you are sticking the different parts together. Now you need to create folds along the dotted lines. For a normal dotted line, you create an inward fold, also known as a valley fold. For a dashed and dotted line, you create an outward fold, also known as a mounted fold. Using the same steps, I have done the cutting, scoring, numbering and folding of rest of the pieces. With all the pieces prepared, now we can start sticking them together. The first thing you need to do is stick the same edges with common numbers within the same piece. Once you are done with that, then you can start sticking one piece with another piece. To apply the glue, always use a toothpick or something similar. It allows you to apply thin layer of glue. The thinner the layer of applied glue, the better it will stick together. Keep sticking the pieces together till you have completed the sun part of the wall decor. With that, our sun is ready and now we'll move on to the clouds. First work on the individual cloud pieces. Once you're done with individual pieces, then move on to joining those pieces together so that you can get the final shape of the cloud. Now to complete the design, we are going to stick the sun and the cloud together. After arranging all the parts together, this is how it finally looks on my wall. If you guys like this cute little video, please do not forget to hit the like and share button, and also subscribe to my channel for more paper art videos. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.